To access Aura, simply launch SOLIDWORKS from the 3D Experience platform and open the 3D Swim app to call it out. From there, you can interact with Aura directly within the SOLIDWORKS interface, ask questions, get suggestions, and receive instant insights while you work. Aura is trained on Dassault Systèmes' official documentation, 3D Swim communities, and general knowledge, allowing it to assist you with broader tasks beyond design. Tired of searching endlessly for answers? Just ask Aura. It explains any feature and even guides you step by step, right inside SOLIDWORKS. And if you're facing a design challenge, Aura is right there to help. For example, when your sketch becomes overdefined, instead of spending time figuring out which constraint is causing the issue, Aura instantly analyzes the problem and suggests several possible solutions, including using Sketch Expert. Sketch Expert is quick, intuitive, and designed specifically for resolving constraint conflicts like this. With just a few clicks, the sketch is fixed, and you can continue designing without interruption. With Aura, you're never designing alone. You're designing smarter, faster, and with more confidence.